Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can check total altcoins market cap on TradingView. So if you are using TradingView and if you want to create your own free account on TradingView, then I have already created a video you can check out in my playlist. So once you create your TradingView account, just open it, and here in order to check total market cap for altcoins, just click on this markets, and here you can see there is crypto section. Just click on crypto section and go to this market cap charts. When you open it, just scroll down, and here you will see there are three options: total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin, and altcoins. Now the altcoin market cap, you can see this, the last chart is total altcoin market cap. Now this is now day 244 billion dollars. So this is the altcoin market cap. You can check it. You can also check this total market cap with Bitcoin and altcoins, and this one is total market cap without Bitcoins. So all these are the three charts. But if you talk about altcoins, then this last one is total market cap for altcoins. Thank you for watching.